Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you make your Pinterest account private. So let's start up the process. Open up your Pinterest app. Then tap on menu button at the right bottom of the screen. Then tap on menu button at the left top of the screen. Now you can see second option, profile visibility. Tap on this option. Now you can see first option, private profile. Tap in the front of this option to turn on this button. Now your account has been converted into private. After making your account private, only the people you approve can see your profile. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.